SVR, I think. SVR.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Wise County in Texas, southwestern Denton County in north-central Texas, east central Parker County in north-central Texas, western Tarrant County in north-central Texas, until 11:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:18 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Pelican Bay, or over Briar, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fort Worth, Haltom City,
That's
Keller,
my city.
Southlake, Watauga, Benbrook, Saginaw, White Settlement, Azle, Trophy Club, River Oaks, Sansom Park, Lake Worth, Eagle Mountain, Briar, North Richland Hills, Roanoke, Pecan Acres, Reno, and Westworth Village. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35W between mile markers 52 and 71. Interstate 20 between mile markers 423 and 432. Interstate 30 between mile markers 1 and 14. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Well,
The current time is 10.